Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Amazon login issues. Common sign-in problems solved step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening a few other websites. Close the Amazon app or browser completely and reopen it to refresh the session. Make sure you are using the correct Amazon site for your region, like Amazon.com or Amazon Company UK. Verify that you are typing the correct email or mobile number linked to your Amazon account. Re-enter your password slowly and carefully, and check that caps lock is not enabled. If you use password autofill, delete the saved Amazon password and type it manually once. Tap or click Forgot your password, and follow the reset link to create a new password. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the Amazon password reset message. If you do not receive the email, request the reset again and confirm your email address is correct. If Amazon asks for a verification code, wait a minute and then request a new code if needed. Confirm that your phone has signal and can receive SMS, or switch to email verification if available. If you use an authenticator app, ensure the time on your phone is set to automatic and correct. Try logging in from a different device to see if the issue is device-specific. If it works on another device, clear the Amazon app cache or browser cookies on the first device. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Amazon, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and try again. On iPhone, uninstall the Amazon app, restart the phone, reinstall the app, and sign in again. On a browser, open Settings and clear cookies and cached files for Amazon. Then restart the browser. Try an incognito or private window to rule out extensions and save data issues. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily because Amazon may block unusual locations. Turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions for Amazon pages and refresh the sign-in screen. Update the Amazon app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Update your browser to the latest version and restart your computer or phone. If you see a "We detected unusual activity" message, complete the security check and change your password. If your account is locked, wait the suggested time and then try again with the correct credentials. Check Amazon status by searching Amazon Service Status to confirm there is no outage. If you cannot access your registered email or phone, use Amazon account recovery options on the sign-in page. Go to Amazon Help and select Contact Us to chat or call support if verification keeps failing. When support asks, provide the exact error message and what steps you already tried for faster help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.